What you eat determines your weight. How you work out determines how you look. You will instantly be prettier. Know that every time you put something on, you are giving out a message. Some of you don't know the secrets. This is how the prettier girls get prettier. You be thinking, damn, she's prettier again? Yes, because she's following the hierarchy of beauty needs. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Chica Angel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to be pretty. Now this video is for everybody. We're not going to be touching on what's on the insides. We all know that you need to fix what's on the inside before you fix what's on the outside. Well, even mean people and the worst of the worst deserve to look good. Looking good is not only for the clean and kind-hearted. Everybody can get some, all right? So I'm here to help everybody learn how to be pretty. Even if you feel like you identify as facially challenged, if you feel like you identify as not the beauty standard, which is absolutely fine by the way, because the beauty standard is different in every single person's eyes in all regions around the world. This video is to help every and anybody get prettier. You might already be pretty, but if you're here, that means you're ready to be prettier. I'm about to take you lovely ladies through the 5 categories in the hierarchy of beauty needs. I did not make this up. This is tried and tested. This has been proven around the world by the famous top scientists. I could even bet my bottom dollar that Einstein was involved in this. But as I said in my other video, I don't have any dollars. I am English. Let's go through the 5 categories and see how you can make something shake. You don't need to complete everything, but if you do some of them, you will instantly be prettier. No doubt about it. The first step is taking care of your basic health. This includes your diet, your sleep, your fitness, your hygiene, and last but not least, your environment. What you eat determines your weight. How you work out determines how you look. If you're eating in a surplus, you're most likely going to be gaining weight. If you're eating in a deficit, you're most likely going to be losing weight. But just because me and you are both in a deficit doesn't mean our weight loss is going to look the same. So don't just be in a deficit and be a lazy babe sitting at home on the sofa, chilling like this, sleeping. You need to be getting active. You really need to get up and be on your Zoom. You really need to be making something shake. This might not be your desired shape. This might be your desired shape. Whatever it is, you need to go be active and make something shake. Hygiene, very self-explanatory. Please don't be dirty. Please don't be smelly. Everybody knows this. I wouldn't want anyone to feel ashamed for not knowing anything about hygiene. So if you have any questions, then do message me privately. But I don't think I need to touch on that too much. Just get your hygiene together. Get your act together, ladies. Whether you're in the house or outside, it should be part of your identity. With environment, I know a lot of people's environment reflects their mental state. So if you are going through things mentally or your mental health is declining, environment might look shaky, messy, rocky, like a clutter. Try your best to get up and clean it, or ask someone that's close to you or someone in your support system to help you tidy up, because clearing up your environment actually helps to boost your mental state and improve your mental health. And that's definitely very, very important for you to be looking good. You need to be feeling good. As I said, we're not going to touch on the inside because this is purely a vanity video, just to look good and pretty. Make sure you're fixing your inside and working on your inside too, and fixing your environment will help you with that. I'm not sure if I mentioned sleep earlier, but if I didn't, then sleep is so important. Make sure you're getting your set hours that you need to get. Please don't be one of those people that say things like, I'll sleep when I'm dead. I need to grind 24/7, working day and night all the time. You need to rest and you need to sleep. Even God rested. He took that day off. So please get some sleep. Step 2 in the hierarchy of beauty needs is basic grooming. This includes skincare, makeup, fashion, hairstyles, shaving and waxing, nails, accessories, and teeth. Now, these things are not essential, which is why they're not in the basic needs category, but they are still very important. Make sure you're taking off everything on this list, or try your best to. There's nothing better than someone that knows their personal style. If you're focusing on perfecting your makeup routine, but your skincare one is not down, that is not okay. That is not okay. You need to get your skincare in check. Whether you think your skin is fine naturally and you don't need to do anything to it, or you have active acne and it's a lot to handle, I don't want to hear no excuses. I don't want to hear anything. Everybody make an effort to actually put in the work. I used to have such bad skin. I made a video on my channel showing how I cleared my hyperpigmentation because it was literally everywhere. You could play dot to dot on my face. It was real bad. Everything I don't like about myself, I always get up and change it. I'll find a way, whether I have to DIY it or book an appointment. I will get up and change it. I'm an advocate for that. I've not had any surgery done. I'm not saying I never will, but if I don't like something about myself, I'm not complaining about it. I have to change it, because what's complaining gonna do? Nothing. One thing on this list that I feel like is a game changer is definitely fashion. Find your sense of personal style. Stay off social media if you have to, because on social media, you'll start seeing trends, and your style will change as the trends change, and that's not really you. You need to ask yourself, what do you like? What colors look good on you? What's your color palette? What's your undertone, and what does that look good with? You need to figure this out. You need to get to know yourself so you know what looks best on you. You can put that style together. So with me, I love a good clean aesthetic. I love a good chic look. I do wear other outfits here and there, depending on what I'm doing, because the look doesn't always match the vibe for where I'm going. But down at my inner core, I love the basics. I love clean looks. I love chic looks. I just love looking put together. But your style might be different. You might be a streetwear babe. Even when I do dress streetwear, I give off chic streetwear. So I know what looks good on me and I know what I like. I know that every time you put something on, you are giving out a message, and decide what message you feel like giving out today or every day, and base your closet around that, along with what silhouettes look good on you and what colors look good on you and what patterns look good on you. Get to know your own fashion style and stay off these trends. Unless the trend is literally made for you and you feel like, wow, this is a bit of me, then go for it. But at the end of the day, it will literally ruin your personal style and you'll be stuck in that box of something aesthetic, something aesthetic. Like for example, the UK black girl aesthetic. A lot of UK black girls look exactly the same. If you like to dress like that, that is fine. Sometimes I have my UK black girl aesthetic days because that's the message I'm trying to give on that day, or that's the vibe I'm feeling. But if you trap yourself in this box and you feel like it's a safe space, you'll never really get the chance to explore and find your true fashion sense and style. The next category in the hierarchy of beauty needs is professional grooming. I'm not telling you to break the bank, go in minuses, or make poor financial decisions. So if you can DIY it, or you have a friend, or you know someone that knows someone that could just do it for you, then do that. But professional grooming will up things to the next level, of course, because they're professionally trained. This includes stuff like lash extensions, laser, tanning, cosmetic tattoos, microblading, getting facials. If there's anything that you want to do and you've been thinking about it, just do it. What did you say? Who said that? I got my eyebrows ombre browed last year in, I think, October. Best decision I ever made. Because before that, my brows used to kind of go like down like that and the end used to be sparse. But now they have a nice defined shape. It also gives my face a kind of lift, almost like that, because I get to pick the shape of my brow. The process is very smooth, very easy, didn't really hurt. If you want me to make a video about the process of getting your eyebrows microbladed or getting combination brows or ombre brows or whatever, let me know, because I did do a lot of research before I did go ahead and do it, and you might want to know which one is best suited for you. Obviously, I'm not a doctor or a cosmetic surgeon or anything like that, but I did my research, I got mine done, I've went through the experience. I'm gonna go get a top up soon, probably in summer, so I might document that. But it does peel. I'm trying to wait and do it in a time when no one's gonna see me, because my eyebrows will peel when I get my top up. But get things done. If you don't like it, change it. Don't let anyone's opinions get to you. If you want to do something, just do it. If you don't like something, just change it. Why? Because you can. Simple. Category on the list of hierarchy of beauty needs is non-invasive treatments. Now, this could include Botox, filler, surgical dentist procedures, chemical peels, and body sculpting and contouring. In the past, I was reached out to by a cosmetic company to get my fat dissolved for promo, but at the time I was kind of scared of needles. I hadn't gotten any piercings, any tattoos, any ombre brow, any nothing, so I didn't go for it. But if I could go back, I would have done it. But that's fine. I will still do it in the future probably, but I've been in the gym, I've been working out, so my fat has been going on its own naturally. But I think I'll still do it because certain areas are a bit hard to tackle, and if you don't like that, just change it. If there's a shortcut and you're not scared and you have the means, then go for it. If it's a little filler there or dissolver there and it's been on your mind and it's something that's been affecting your confidence and it's something that you've been thinking about for a while, you've been contemplating, you've had consultations on it, then take this as your sign to take that step and just do it. And because it quite literally could change your life by doing something as simple as boosting your confidence, which in the long run will expose you to more opportunities and etc, etc, etc. Life goes up from there. I know you've probably seen a lot of people get dental procedures like veneers or composite bonding. Do your research before you get this stuff done. I'm an advocate for doing things you're certain about. I don't want to do anything I'll regret. So before I do something, just know I've thought long and hard about it, maybe even for 2 years. Last but not least, the final category in the beauty hierarchy of needs is plastic surgery. Don't say Chica said to get plastic surgery, because that's not what I said. This hierarchy of beauty needs wasn't created by me, but I do think it's an interesting concept, and I do truly believe that if you do follow the steps in there according to you and your lifestyle and what you want, you will look prettier than you do today. Some of you don't know the secrets. This is how the prettier girls get prettier. And you'll be thinking, damn, she's prettier again? Yes, because she's following the hierarchy of beauty needs. Do with this information what you want. I hate to go, but I have to love you and leave you. If you made it this far, let me know if you've heard of the beauty hierarchy of needs before. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. Let me know if you think it would actually work for you, or if you think it would only help a select few. Anyways, got to love you and leave you. See you in the next video. Bye.